Butter, bread, and cheese is all we need today. Grate some cheese of your choice. Grating the cheese helps it melt faster. I chose Gruyere because it has an intense flavor. Butter both sides of the bread slices. Make sure the butter is at room temperature. That makes it much easier to spread. Heat a non-stick pan on medium-low. Add the slices and wait for the bottom side to become golden. Here is the important part that most people don't do and that makes all the difference. Once golden, turn the slices around to toast both sides. Spread the grated cheese evenly on top of one of the slices. Then, cover the cheese with the other slice. Toasting both sides of the bread makes the sandwich pack more crunch and flavor. It also makes the cheese melt faster since it comes into contact with already warm bread. Check the color of the bottom side frequently. Once golden on both sides, serve the sandwich and enjoy. I like to eat it with Tabasco to add some spice. Like and subscribe if you'd like more recipes. Also let me know which other foods you like to see, and thanks for watching.